Photo? So we got a pizzeria right here. We're gonna walk up the street and check out that long line. We got some construction guys over here too. Coming to take a picture. All right. So yeah, this is I waited in this line for quite a bit today actually. So all these people, some of them are going to eat inside, so they get a ticket, and then the other ones they wait for takeout. You go all the way up like that. So yeah, it's one of the most famous pizza places in Naples. Go to the end of the line. And it looks like that. Okay, so we're gonna go up our Target Street. So yeah, I just ate there. I was gonna bring the camera in, but I just wanted to take in the whole experience of it. I don't think I could give it adequate justice on the camera. But the tomato sauce was amazing. And I don't know, I haven't tried all the pizza places in Naples, but I heard it's one of the best. And it tasted like it probably is. So I'll just assume that it was. And we're just gonna kind of meander in some of the streets. So there's some really interesting streets here. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of meander down to more. I just kind of want to take pictures of everything, kind of document what it looks like in 2023, so people can get all images of different places.
Spagna,